Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some famous colleges of West Bengal. If you missed previous videos of this discussion, click on the I button to get the list and watch one by one. Today's discussion will be about Behala College in Kolkata. Behala College was established as a grants-in-aid state government-sponsored college in the year 1963, affiliated to University of Calcutta under Refugee Rehabilitation Scheme of the Government of India. It was recognized under Section 2F by UGC in 1982. Over the years, the college has consolidated its position as a premier academic institution in the southern fringes of Kolkata. The college believes in inclusive education and caters to a wide array of students with different social and financial backgrounds. The college has been re-accredited with Grade A in the second cycle of assessment by NAAC. Although the college started as an UG college, presently it offers post-graduation in 4 subjects with affiliation from University of Calcutta. The college is also a study center of Netaji Subhas Open University and Rabindra Bharati University, whereby UG and PG courses in different subjects are offered through distance education mode. The college has modern, user-friendly and automated smart library. It has a clean and green campus with garden and pool. Behala College infrastructure facilities are excellent for teaching and learning environment. The infrastructure facilities provided by the college are classrooms, library, laboratories, sports, canteen, gym and CCTV. So let's talk about this college's courses. The college offers various undergraduate and postgraduate courses, arts and science disciplines. It also provides additional courses on communicative English, photography and social activities. Free basic computer training for first-year students. For third-year students, the college conducts classes and workshops on soft skill development and employability skills. The courses offered in the college are BA on Bengali, Defense Studies, English, Education, History, Journalism and Mass Production, Philosophy, Political Science, and Physical Education and Sanskrit. MA on Bengali and History. BSc on Botany, Chemistry, Computer Science, Economics, Electronics, Food and Nutrition, Geography, Mathematics, Physics, Statistics and Zoology. MSc on Chemistry and Mathematics. So let's go through this college's eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria vary for the different specialization of the courses offered by the college. The candidate seeking admission has to satisfy the eligibility criteria. For BSc on Physics, the candidates must have passed the higher secondary or its equivalent examination with an aggregate of 50% and 60% in Physics and 55% in Mathematics. For BSc on Chemistry, the candidate must have passed the higher secondary or its equivalent examination with an aggregate of 50% with 60% in chemistry and 50% in mathematics. For BSc on Zoology, the candidates must have passed the higher secondary or its equivalent examination with an aggregate of 60% with 65% in biology, 50% in chemistry and 50% in English. For BSc, the candidates must have passed the higher secondary or its equivalent examination with an aggregate of 50% marks in the aggregate and 45% marks in the subject or related subject. For BA, the candidate must have passed the higher secondary or its equivalent examination and passed the related subjects. Every year, the college provides scholarships for meritorious and eligible students. The college has the Career Counseling and Placement Cell, which encourages the students towards becoming the perfect industry required an employee. The Behala College Placement Cell guides students on various interview techniques, group discussions, aptitude tests to achieve maximum possible placements for students by arranging training programs. Contact number, address, website, email and online admission link of this college is available in this video's description. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.